Hi everyone. Hi, this is Rupesh. I'm here to explain you about Oracle Service Bus. What is Oracle Service Bus? Is actually it is a part of Oracle Fusion middleware. It is a stateless and lightweight process. Uh, we need OSP for routing purpose. We use OSP to connect to the source system and target system and route the message to the internal components. So, uh, if I generally need to transfer the data from the source system to the target system and no more business logic in that project, it is then we go for the OSB. So it is the lightweight process. And whatever the project we have done in the OSB, it is stateless. Stateless means we don't have any instance are generated in the SB console. Okay. So we have something that we are using in OSB is proxy service. Proxy service is the thing that we connect with the source system by using proxy service, and business service is that one. By using that one, we can connect to the target system. Okay. So in 12c we have a structure like that. We have a proxy service panel, and we have pipeline. Then after that we have business service. So first, uh, by using proxy service, the client is connect to us, and after that we have pipeline. In the pipeline we are going to describe our business logic, whatever the business logic we are describing in OSB. There we can describe in pipeline. And what is a business service? Business service is the thing that is one service. By using that, we can connect with the external system or the target system. Okay. So, uh, how we can transfer the data from the proxy service to the business service? So there we are using some XQuery transformation and XSLT transformation. So by using that, we can transfer the data from the proxy service to the business service. Okay. And in OSB we have some predefined variable. No need to create any variable in OSB. You can use a predefined variable in OSB. These are called context variable. Okay. And what is the difference between the previous version of OSB, that is OSB 11G, and OSB 12C? Is in OSB 11G we are using Eclipse IDE, but in OSB 12C we are using JDev, JDeveloper we are using. And in 11G previously we have a message flow where we can describe our logic. Okay. But in 12c we have pipeline to describe our logic in OSB 12c. And as compared to in OSB, we don't have any thing that can generate the instance. It is stateless. So we are using some activities like report activity and log activity. By using that, we can report that incoming messages, whatever the from the source we are getting the messages. And uh, by using log activity also we can log the messages. So by using that we can find our data, means whatever the data is coming, and what are the different errors we have got. Okay. And in OSB, if I need to handle some error in OSB, then we are using error handler there to handle the error. So in OSP we have different kind of thing, like we are using conditional branch to according to the condition we can route the data, like greater than, less than, this kind of thing. And operational branch is there to according to the operational we can route the data according to the operation means in the visual we can define our multiple operation. According to that we can route the data. Okay, so in SOA and OSB, what are the different things we are using is um, we are using if else condition in OSB, but in SOA 11G we are using what, um, switch activity. Okay, and this kind of things we can use in OSB. We are using service call out to call the service in between the flow. We can call any other service, then we go for the service call out. Okay, and these are the things. And uh, in OSB we have how we can create our application and project in OSB. First we need to create our application. Within that application we can create multiple projects. Okay, so for that I am writing one blog. In the description box I will provide you the link, so you can go with that link and brief about that. I am explaining there that how we can create our application and projects. And okay, thank you so much for watching this video. And please like, subscribe, and watch my video, and please comment into that how the video is going, how the video is, so I can provide you uh, more features on that. Thank you so much.